Today we're going to be making the most aromatic, beautifully cooked, perfect rice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at the aromatics that I'm using today. I've got 2 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 5 green cardamom pods, 5 cloves, nice long piece there of cinnamon, and that there is 1 black dried lime or lemon. So we've seen the spices and aromatics that we're using. Let's obviously now take a look at our rice. In there, I've got 2 cups of rice. I'm using a basmati rice now. Not all rice is equal. You get what you pay for, basically. There's different grades of rice. This is quite a good quality, long grain basmati rice. I've washed it through a couple of times. 2 cups would mean I'm gonna add 4 cups or double the amount of water. We're then going to drop in that black lemon or lime. Now with that, what you can do, let me just show you. You can get a fork or a knife and you can just prod it a little bit and it will release many of its properties. The cinnamon, the chili, then we've got 5 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, the turmeric and the cumin seeds. To that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Just going to give that a little mix. And then the heat's going to go on. Once that reaches boiling point, it's on an above medium heat at the moment, it's fairly lively. Once that starts to boil, I'm going to turn that down and stick a lid on it. Then it's going to take about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so that's just reached a nice boiling point. Lid goes on, and I'm going to reduce the heat down to not a simmer, but above a simmer. About 7 or 8 minutes. Around 7 or 8 minutes, we're going to turn the heat off now. Just take a look at it and get some steam out of there. So we've got that really beautiful, vibrant colour from the turmeric and the lovely flavours from all of those lovely spices. We've got a little bit of moisture in there. What I want you to do now is put a lid back on and just leave it for 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so just sat that there for 4 or so minutes. Let's have a look in there. That's beautiful. Beautifully cooked, perfect, aromatic rice. And there we have it. Job done. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.